Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I will tell you that how to make money with Instagram Reels bonuses. So this will be a full tutorial on how to make money with Instagram Reels bonuses and how to get invited by Instagram Reels bonuses. Okay, so I want you to watch this video until the very end, so you don't make any kind of mistakes during its process. Okay, so before actually posting reels, there are couple of things that you have to do with your account here. So we will just open up our Instagram account here, and here you can see that this is my profile here. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do, basically you have to convert your personal account into a business account or a professional account. Okay, so you will tap on these three lines at the top right here, and then you will tap on settings here. Okay, and then you will tap on this account option here, and if you scroll down here it says switch type. Okay, so if you tap on this one, now here it says that switch to business account or switch to personal account. So my this account is currently a professional account. Okay, but if your account is a personal account, and when you tap on this option here where it says switch account type, you will see two options here: switch to business account or switch to a professional account. So it depends upon you. Okay, so you can choose one of these two, like you can switch to a business account or you can switch to a professional account. Instagram Reels bonuses are available on these both type of accounts. Okay, so the next thing that you have to do when you actually switch to a business account or a professional account, you will see this option here at the third number, which is the creator option. So when you tap on this one, in the end you will see this option where it says monetization status. So first of all, we have to check that whether we are eligible or not for Instagram monetization. So we will tap on this one, and here it says that you are able to monetize because we have no community guideline strikes, and we have not violated any kind of terms of Instagram policies. Okay, so you have to first check this option here, that whether you are eligible or not. And then the next thing that you have to do, basically you have to like start posting Instagram Reels. And once you reach a certain point where Instagram thinks that okay, now you are good to go, you are getting lots of views, they will invite you to the Instagram Reels bonuses program. And when you tap on this option here again, you will see at the top a new option which it says bonuses. Okay, so now the next thing, that how you can actually post Instagram Reels that can go viral or that can actually get you a lots of views. Okay, so uh, the next thing that you have to do, basically you will go to the home page here, and you will go to the search here, and you will type here like viral reels. Okay, so we will type here like viral reels here. And then because like TikTok, Instagram also like get you views if you use trending hashtags and if you use trending music in your Instagram Reels. So we have to find basically trending music, and we have to make videos around that specific trending song so we can get actually more views, and so that our account get noticed by Instagram, and they will actually email us and they will actually get that bonuses option there. So we will just go into the here, let's suppose. Okay, so here you can see that this audio here has like 464k shares and 4806 comments here. So which means that this sound is very trending on Instagram right now. So what you can do basically here, you can just tap on this image here, and here it says that use audio. Okay, so here you can see that this video basically gets 14 million views. Okay, so you can basically, what you can do, you can actually want, if you want, you can actually favorite this song here, and if you want, you can just tap on this use audio option here, and you can make your own reels from here. Okay, so this is the easiest method to actually like post reels and to get more views. And once you start getting more views, the Instagram team will actually notice your account, and they will actually get you the reels bonuses option. And after that, when you start posting the reels, they will actually pay you. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.